At bumabalik yung Titos of Manila. We have just 99,550 subscribers to go hanggang umabot kami kay Chris Cantada Force.
Technically, you have 299 to catch up to me, sorry.
Okay, thanks for
being a bit
thanks for the inspiration. Huh?
Thanks,
thanks, I appreciate it. Iniwan ako dito, hindi niya inayos yung kanyang morphing machine. I was dressed as the Pink Ranger. That was fun for about 30 seconds. Yung pambawi mo naman, he will show me his collection. People know you as a cosplayer, but people don't know you as a collector.
I started collecting in high school, you know, a year ago. So, mga McFarlane toys.
Yung McFarlane,
the movie figures.
Freddy,
the monsters, like that.
Okay.
Music figures, TV show figures, and then Star Wars also. I don't know, it's the collector's addiction.
What do you get? What feeling do you get? May fuzzy feeling ba yan?
Yeah, you just want to have it.
Okay.
You just need it.
And what does your wife say after you get all those toys?
I don't tell her.
Okay.
I have crates, plastic crates full of Star Wars action figures that there's nowhere to display. So what I do is I mix and match na lang.
Let's take a look at the first one over here.
So Power Rangers.
Power Rangers here. Let's go to Power Rangers here.
I have a Power Rangers background.
Okay, so this is the
So
bread and butter mo, bread and butter.
The original team, I always go original. Mighty Morphin. They call this was released in the 95. These were the ones they called the flip heads.
Okay.
Automorphin. Because when you click something, obviously it's so old that it's not
clicking as fast as it should be.
Basically, when you click this, it's supposed to... Now you know how long I've had them.
Okay.
These were the toys that I grew up with.
Playing with over here. Okay.
Power Rangers, my friend, has been around for 25 years. Each year, aside from the first 3 seasons, which were the Mighty Morphin ones, every year, revamp. Every year.
Ibang characters.
Ibang characters, ibang story. Some are cars, some the original dinosaurs, ninjas.
So may theme about Power Rangers.
Yes.
So this one yung parang
dinosaur
theme.
Pirates naman, pirates.
Pirates?
Pirates. Space pirates.
Space pirates, huh?
Yes.
And then this one over here, very interesting over here at the same time. Meron ka ditong...
wrestling!
Wrestling, okay.
When I was a kid, like grade 3, 4, even pre-Power Rangers, man, wrestling fan. World Wrestling Federation. And like a stupid kid, I sold them all in garage sales.
What?
Every so often, I find rare gems of some of the ones I used to own.
And this is your favorite?
Bret the Hitman Hart.
There you go.
I play with myself. I started playing with myself long ago.
Long ago?
But this particular
one over here
set with my cousin.
With your cousins now.
Same age.
So what? These look like they're limited edition kind of things going on here, or dedicated to each costume.
Yes, majority of them were made locally by Kamen Rider Nemo from Pampanga.
Okay.
Plugs.
Free plugging, huh? Okay.
Yeah. I'm a geek in a sense that I like collecting, and I like collecting autographs as well, or meeting the people.
Meeting the people behind it.
Yeah.
Okay. And over here, among these masks here, which has been of particular importance to you, or maybe it's something that you really have a connection to? Meron ba dito?
My very first, because you can't forget your first.
You can't forget. Yes, I know.
Yes,
I know.
You can't forget your first.
Di ba, Yaya? Okay.
See, I have a pink because I forced my wife to.
So you've also asked your wife to do cosplay as well?
Yeah, for one Halloween, she...
So she cosplays for the public, or just for between both of you lang?
Both.
Both?
Private and public.
Okay ka. Exciting yun.
Exciting talaga.
Okay. It's morphing time. Okay.
As you can see,
That's number 1. Stormtrooper.
Yes.
More recent one.
Baby. So, Han Solo and Carbonite, and Luke Skywalker. And Dagobah.
I remember some of these figures when they were actually released the first time, like the Empire Strikes Back features. They look like the original ones.
So these are a mixture of new and old. Super first gen 1977 Luke Skywalker with the telescoping lightsaber.
Yeah, I remember this one. That they had to discontinue it because they thought it'd be dangerous for kids to have that lightsaber coming out of their hands.
And I have the new one.
And from 1976, you have The Last Jedi Luke Skywalker up there.
Yeah.
These are the original Lando Calrissian from the Empire Strikes Back. The player with the cape. Yes. Still with the cape.
Yes.
And this one was on the planet Hoth.
Yeah.
I know my Star Wars trivia. Tito Manila. Tito
doing
Manila.
well, doing well. This is from the show The Clone Wars.
Okay.
This is the Shadow Stormtrooper. It's from at that time, it was the expanded universe, mga comics.
Who's this?
This is Mr. Ewan McGregor.
Wearing
Obi-Wan.
Wearing a Stormtrooper outfit.
It is based on sa Clone Wars also, but they made it human-like.
When people were starting out to do cosplay, Princess Leia in a slave outfit yan, di ba? This TIE fighter over here, it has a good story behind it, you were telling me.
This is a particular toy that you get from Disneyland. It's a Disneyland exclusive. Basically, if you wear this and you do like a force push, it will just collapse.
Wow! Does it still work?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
Because just like in every collection of mine, I display and not play.
Oh, the stars of this collection over here was actually this lightsaber
This
over here. This one over here. Yan.
This
That's the
one.
This one. Okay.
If you want to buy like lightsabers, the hilts, they're really expensive. But they released a line, a cheaper line, they call the stunt lightsaber helmets. It's basically, you know, for cosplay. The Obi-Wan design, episode 3, is one of my favorite lightsaber designs. And when they released the cheaper version, this is like, kumbaga parang when they release it, it's just like 5,000 pesos.
Wow.
$100 lightsaber. So they released it in one of the celebrations I went to. Sold out right away. Not even on eBay
Wow.
or Amazon. They had it. But when I went to Celebration London,
That's Star Wars Celebration,
Yeah.
diba? Okay.
I found it one left. I mean, it wasn't $100. It was slightly more expensive. I wanted it for so long, and if I don't get it,
Okay.
what's the point?
So
what's the
what's
point?
the point of being a fan? What's the point?
As you notice, if you're a Star Wars fan, these are the Stormtrooper weapons from The Force Awakens. These aren't the officially made. These were made by the 501st Legion here.
Shout out to the 501st Legion.
Yes.
Okay.
Jim Tripon, he makes awesome props.
What I found interesting over here was the Star Wars 30th collection. I was looking at it. They look kind of familiar, but they're slightly different.
I'm sure mga Star Wars fans out there, they've seen this artwork by Ralph McQuarrie, some like history of Star Wars. It's basically a 3D version of the Darth Vader and Luke Starkiller.
The Starkiller version pa. Yung the Star Wars. Yung
Yeah,
time.
it's like an almost 10-year-old toy.
Well, again, Chris, thanks so much for showing us your collection here right now. There are many people who also want to come out, just like you. Thank you for coming out to us here on the show.
Yes.
And there's
only
more people
come
out
out to
there.
you, yeah.
Thanks so much. Let me give you a hug
Oh
over
my
here.
God,
Okay.
Too much pink power.
Okay, so if anybody here also wants us to feature your collection on the Tito of Manila, please send us a message in the comment box.
Let's rock it.
Let's rock
Wait. We don't want you to...
Okay, sorry. No more.
We don't want you to...
No more. It was hard getting out of the last one the last time.
no,
Sige,
no.
that's
Let's
okay.
just
We needed
say-
lubrication the last time, so that's fine. That's fine. Okay, thanks so much, guys.
So we can just say goodbye the usual way. The safe way. The non-pink way. Bye-bye.